myself Siddharth Pawar, roll number 36, and I present the report on wind turbine energy. Let's see the outline of the presentation. Introduction, site selection of wind power plant, parts of the wind turbine, working of wind power plant, advantages of wind power, disadvantages of wind power plants, plant scenario, references. Let's see the introduction. Wind power is the conversion of wind energy into useful form of energy, such as the using wind turbines to make electrical power, windmills for mechanical power, wind pumps for water pumping or drainage, or sailings to propel ship. Why wind power? Wind power has always given the necessary propulsive force to sailing ships and has been also used to run windmills. Due to the climate changes, the demand to increase the amount of green energy and fear of decreased oil term in the future. The horizontal axis wind turbine H8WT with a upstream three-blade rotor has resulted to be the most suitable typology and the constantly has found remarkable development, characterized both by the quick grown in size and power as well as by widespread. Let's see the physics and nature of wind. The earth continuously releases into the atmosphere the heat received by the sun but unevenly. Second, in the areas where less heat is released, cool air zones, the pressure of atmospheric gases increases, where more heat is released, air warms up and goes pressure decreases. Since the atmosphere tends to constantly re-establish the pressure balance, the air moves from the areas where the pressure is higher towards those where it is lower. Therefore, wind is the movement of an air mass, more or less quick, between the zones at different pressure. Let's see the site selection of wind power point. First, most important decision throughout your installation. Second, vital part in the performance and efficiency of wind turbine. Third, high exposed sites. Fourth, not suitable sites in highly populated residential areas. Fifth, avoid a roof mounted turbines. Sixth, power transmission loss. 7. Distance between the turbine and nearest obstacle. 8. Connection with the national power grid. Parts of wind turbine: blades, rotor, pitch, brake, low speed shaft, gearbox, generator, controller, anemometer, wind van, nacelle, high speed shaft, yaw driver, yaw motor, tower. Components of wind turbine. First, wind turbines consist of four main components: the rotor, transmission system, generator, and yaw and control systems. First, rotor. The rotor consists of hub, three blades, and pitch regulation system, all of which are located upwind of the tower. The blades are airfoils, which depends on aerodynamic lift to move the blades and cause rotation. Second, transmission system. The mechanical power generated by the rotor blades is transmitted to the generator by the transmission system. This consists of a gearbox and braking system plus the auxiliary lubricating and cooling systems. Third, generator. The generator converts the mechanical energy to electrical energy in a sinusoidal induction generator. Yaw and control system. The yaw system turns the nickel into the actual wind direction using a rotary actuator and gear mechanism of the top of the tower. A fully automatic microprocessor based control and monitoring system is a part of the wind turbine. Let's see the working of wind power plant. Wind, wind turbines harnessing the wind's energy to generate electricity. Here in a short is how they do it. First, wind makes the blades turn. Blades turn a shaft. Gearbox connected to shaft increase the rotational speed. Direct drive gearless technology. Conversion. Mechanical energy, electrical energy. Power inverter. And transform output voltage of inverter 11 kilovolt and to 33 kilovolt. Local distribution and national grid. Wind turns the turbine blades, spinning the shaft, generating electricity. An inverter converts electricity from DC to AC. Electricity is connected directly to the main power or connected to the battery bank or connected to the electricity grid. Let's see the advantages of wind power plant. First, energy for free of free of cost. Second, produce electricity throughout the day. Third, pollution free and clean. Fourth, vast wind energy is available. Fifth, can supply the power to remote areas. Sixth, economical competitive. Seventh, mechanical power for grading, pumping, etc. using a wind energy. 8. Wind energy source of energy domestic renewable. 9. Up to 95% land of wind farms can be used for ranching, farming and forestry. Let's see the disadvantages of wind power plant. First, low energy density. Second, irregular, unsteady wind energy. Third, variable speed. Fourth, variable wind direction. Fifth, higher capital cost. Sixth, can be located only in vast open areas. Seventh, far location from load center. 8. Complex designs. Thank you for watching.